AGS-TECH stands as a leader in the world of custom industrial machinery. Visit www.agstech.net. They design and build customized solutions for a wide array of industries. From concept to creation, AGS-TECH partners with businesses. They understand each client has unique needs. Their global team of engineers and technicians are highly skilled. AGS-TECH delivers reliable and efficient custom-tailored machinery. Their commitment to innovation is unmatched. Let's explore the diverse capabilities of AGS-TECH. AGS-TECH specializes in a broad spectrum of machinery, catering to various industrial needs and applications. This includes state-of-the-art robotic systems designed for automated tasks, ensuring precision and efficiency in production. Their expertise extends to high-vacuum equipment, which is crucial for processes that require a contamination-free environment. This specialized equipment is essential for advanced manufacturing processes, ensuring high-quality outcomes. AGS-TECH also manufactures equipment specifically designed for clean rooms, which are vital for industries like pharmaceuticals and electronics. This equipment adheres to the strictest standards of cleanliness and hygiene, ensuring a sterile environment. Thermal processing machinery is another area of expertise, crucial for heat treatment and material processing. AGS-TECH designs and builds industrial ovens and furnaces, tailored to meet specific industrial requirements. These are used for heat treatment and other critical industrial processes, ensuring material durability and performance. Their expertise extends to continuous process machines, which are designed for seamless and uninterrupted production lines. These machines ensure efficiency and consistency in production, minimizing downtime and maximizing output. AGS-TECH also handles web forming, handling, and converting machines, which are essential for material processing. These machines are crucial for industries like paper, film, and textiles, ensuring high-quality production and material handling. AGS-TECH has a proven track record of excellence in the field of custom-tailored industrial machinery. They have built and upgraded a wide range of machines, ensuring they meet the highest standards of quality and efficiency. Their extensive portfolio includes advanced pipe-bending machines designed for shaping metal pipes with precision. They also specialize in press room equipment, which is essential for various industrial applications. This equipment is used for metal stamping and forming, providing reliable solutions for manufacturing needs. AGS-TECH builds cable and wire winding machines, which are crucial for the production of electrical components. These machines are vital for the electrical and telecommunications industries, supporting the creation of essential infrastructure. Their expertise extends to hydraulic lifting systems, which are indispensable for heavy lifting tasks in various sectors. These systems provide heavy lifting solutions across industries, ensuring safety and efficiency in operations. AGS-TECH also works with single and double leg crushers, which are used in material processing and recycling. These machines are used in recycling and waste management, contributing to environmental sustainability. Their skilled technicians can rebuild and upgrade existing machinery, enhancing performance and extending the lifespan of equipment. This includes labeling and packaging machines, which are essential for product identification and distribution. AGS-TECH also handles metal forming machinery, providing solutions for shaping and forming metal components. They ensure optimal performance and extended lifespan of these machines through regular maintenance and upgrades, supplying spare parts, keeping operations running smoothly. Section 4. The AGS-TECH Advantage: Customization and Precision. What sets AGS-TECH apart is their unwavering commitment to customization and precision engineering. They understand that every business has unique requirements and challenges, and they tailor their solutions accordingly. Their team works closely with clients, listening carefully to their specific needs, and providing expert guidance throughout the process. This collaborative approach ensures that every machine is tailored to its intended purpose, maximizing efficiency and effectiveness. AGS-TECH leverages advanced design software, allowing for precise engineering and simulation, which helps in predicting performance and optimizing designs. AGS-TECH employs stringent quality control measures, guaranteeing that every machine meets the highest industry standards and performs reliably. Their team is dedicated to delivering exceptional results, aiming to exceed client expectations with every project they undertake. AGS-TECH's dedication to precision and customization translates into reliable and efficient machinery, ultimately enhancing productivity and profitability for their clients, ensuring long-term success and satisfaction. Section 5. Explore the world of AGS-TECH. AGS-TECH is a trusted partner for businesses, operating across a wide range of industries. Their commitment to innovation, precision, and customization is unparalleled. They offer comprehensive solutions that streamline production processes and enhance operational efficiency. To explore the full range of AGS-TECH's capabilities, visit their website at www.agstech.net. Discover how their expertise can help your business thrive.